Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Short Hair Bootcamp Live. So this mannequin I got from Amazon for like $25, you guys. I'll link it in the description. It's nothing that I'm super ecstatic about, but I wanted to test this mannequin because I know my members are going to be doing my tutorials on doll heads like this, so I can't like leave it out, right? So I said, let's put this mannequin through the test. I've shampooed it, and the first thing I noticed was it was like super sheddy. Like, I mean, it shedded. There was hair everywhere. All right, so whatever. It's still a good mannequin to practice on. I definitely can just say that that's true. So yeah, once I got through with all the shedding, I did a leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it for hair cutting first. I'll do another tutorial for you guys. I went live on my Instagram. Follow it at Short Hair Bootcamp. But I went live on there and we did a live curling just to test it out, and we loved it. So that was cool, but we didn't like the hairline, the way the hair grows. Oh, that's the thing about these kind of mannequins. But as you can see, I'm going through and I'm going to do a basic haircut with a little bit of fun, a little bit of customization. I want it to be very texture, very edgy. I want wispiness. I want to really use a razor, use my shears and slither and slide. And so I'm going to start off with a basic 90-degree haircut, and from there just have some fun. I was like, dang, do I want to do a chili bowl haircut? Do I want to do a bob type bang? Do I want to do an angle? I don't know. So I was freestyling, and there is a tutorial inside of Short Hair Bootcamp where you can literally watch me talk through this entire haircut. But one of the things I stress all the well, I hate to say stress, but I'm always telling everybody, once you master that 90, everything else is just a shift of an angle. And so it's really cool to get that 90 down pat, right? I did a 90 on the left. I'm going to do the same thing on the right. And it's a traveling guideline. I'm using the Influence. I love the Royal Silk, and I'm using their foam wrap as well. This mannequin isn't the best. I wouldn't be practicing like waves and stuff on this mannequin. I mean, you could do like a long wave if you want to practice, leave some more hair and do, like a long wave or something. But nah, I wouldn't use this mannequin for practicing waves. Certainly would use a pivot point. But I'm just going to do the best I can. And the reason is because if you can see, the hair is like, it doesn't mold properly because it's sewn backwards. So you can do the best you can. Now that it's molded, I'm going to go through and I'm just going to texturize a lot. Make sure there's just a ton of just fun in the haircut. Fun, flirty haircut, wispy haircut. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to make a nice heavy bang. I'm taking the shortest piece in the back at the very top, and I'm just going to kind of loosely blend it. I want it to be disconnected. I do not want it to be perfect. I want it to be disconnected. I want it to be wispy and razor feeling. So I walked through this slowly inside of Short Hair Bootcamp, but you kind of catch the drift. I haven't cut the front part of the bang. I just cut that back section as my guide. And now I'm going to go in and blend the front to the section that I just cut, that you just saw in the last clip. So I just had a lot of fun blending and cutting and using the razor and just having some fun. I love cutting like this. I think I've said that 100 times now. But yeah, so the mannequin is great for practicing hair cutting, you guys, for sure. I mean, I'm going to do some tests, some Marcel tests, so I can really give you an idea if this is really good for Marcels, because this mannequin is supposed to represent ethnic hair. And so we'll see. We'll put it through some tests. But I really love how this cut turned out. And so I think that was a great $25. Now, one of the ladies from Pivot Point told me that these mannequins, they use like child labor and like do all kind of stuff that's just out of integrity. So I definitely recommend, if you can, shop with a company like Pivot Point, because we don't want to be employing these children. They're working under these harsh conditions. It's horrible. So anyway, this haircut is super cute. The entire tutorial is in shorthairbootcamp.com. And I will make a video as well doing a curl on this using the Marcels. The flat irons didn't really do too well on it. But the next day it was really, really cute. So I'm going to play around with it and see if it's, if it'll last the different flat irons. But yeah, go to shorthairbootcamp.com. Get your tutorials. Get your tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.